Greetings to the CloudCosmos team. Hi, my name is Ankita. I'm a final year student at Punjabi University Patiala, pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I'm excited to present DocuMind. It is an AI-powered multi-PDF query assistant that I have built as a solution to the problem statement that I have chosen for the CloudCosmos Hackathon. In today's world, we often deal with lengthy research papers, policy documents, or reports, and finding specific information inside them can be really time-consuming. While tools like Chat PDF or Humata do exist, but they often lose context with long or multiple PDFs. Equally, they do not provide explainable, source-bounded answers. DocuMind solves exactly that problem. It is a retrieval-augmented generation-based system that allows users to query multiple PDFs intelligently and get fact-based answers with citations. Let's now have an overview of the solution that I have built it up and its features. Here you can see the Streamlit UI. The DocuMind combines the power of Fast API, Streamlit, FAISS, and Google's Vertex AI's Gemini 2.5 Flash model in order to deliver accurate, explainable results. Users can upload multiple PDFs right here and ask any questions and receive responses that are grounded in the document context. Along with the answers, file name, page numbers, and the confidence scores are also provided to the users. The DocuMind supports multiple PDF querying, contextual search using embeddings, and an interactive web interface that is built using Streamlit. Now let's dive towards the technical architecture of it. For that, I will be referring my GitHub repository. So herein, I'm in the README file. I have uploaded the rest of the files, important necessary files of my project right here, and I will be referring the technical architecture section of the README. Okay, here we can clearly see the moment the user uploads a PDF, the backend extracts the text using PyMe PDF, and that is splitted into manageable chunks. Now, these chunks are embedded using sentence transformers and stored efficiently in a fast vector store database. Now, the moment users enter any query, the system retrieves the most semantically relevant chunks and sends them along with the question to the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Okay, this model generates the precise context-aware answer to the query asked. Okay, further, the answer along with the citations were displayed to the user that were displayed on the Streamlit interface. Moving next, let's have a code walkthrough. For that, I will be referring my VS Code, and here I will be firstly diving you in app.py. So in the backend app.py, app.py defines the fast API routes, and we have configured Chorus. Though I haven't deployed it, but the whole project structure, I have activated two virtual environments individually for backend and front end. And these configure of Chorus makes it feasible to deployed in future on platforms like Render or Vercel. Herein, after app.py, we have pdf underscore reader.py. So this file handles the text extraction, and this extracts the text from each page of a PDF as a list of dictionaries. Further, the processor.py is responsible for managing the chunking. It splits the PDF pages into overlapping text chunks with unique chunk IDs. Further, the embeddings.py is responsible for generating the semantic vectors. Then the vector-store.py is responsible for using the fast vector store database in order to store and query embeddings efficiently. This was the whole backend. Referring the frontend, we have streamlit underscore app.py. Now this file provides a clean interface for uploading PDFs, sending queries to the backend, and displaying both answers and citations interactively. Now we will be diving deep with it as we will be having a demo. An instance is already working in my Chrome. I will be referring to that. So herein, I will be uploading two PDFs, sample PDFs. Let one be my resume, and another one be computer network notes. Okay, I will be uploading these two. Now the files will be uploading and processing. It will be giving number of chunks it has created. So here we have the chunks, and now I will be asking a question to it. This is my question, and I will press enter and generate answer. It is analyzing documents and generating the response. Here, as you can clearly see, DocuMind instantly returned a concise answer, answering individual questions from both the PDFs. And here we are with the citations that includes the name of the PDF along with the rank, score, and the page number it has referred in order to answer the query asked by the user. So this depicts the transparency to the user, like how answer was derived. Uh, Last but not the least, in order to summarize DocuMind is an AI-powered explainable multi-PDF assistant that integrates retrieval, reasoning, and generation seamlessly. I would like to acknowledge Google's generative AI, Vertex AI API key that I have used in order to powering the responses, FASS for fast vector research, Streamlit for rapid front-end development, and GitHub Copilot sentence transformers, and Hugging Face for their amazing developer tools. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity. So, as I have learned a lot while building this, I really enjoyed building this. And thank you so much. I hope this solution justifies the problem statement. And thank you so much. This was whole document.